In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your profile picture on ClickUp. Whether you're setting up your account for the first time or just refreshing your look, updating your avatar helps teammates recognize you quickly and makes your workspace feel a bit more personal. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own ClickUp account. First, make sure you're logged into ClickUp and can see your main workspace. At the top right corner of the screen, near the search bar, you'll see your current profile avatar. This might be your initials, a default icon, or a picture you've used before. That little image is the key to your personal settings. Move your mouse to that avatar in the upper right corner and click it once. This opens a small menu that contains options related to your account and workspace. If you don't see it right away, just double check that you're looking near the search bar at the top of the screen. It's usually tucked right beside it. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. This is where ClickUp keeps all your personal preferences and account details. Go ahead and click Settings. When you do, ClickUp will take you to your My Settings page, which is dedicated to your individual account information rather than the workspace as a whole. On the My Settings page, you'll notice your current avatar displayed prominently. This is the same image you saw in the corner earlier, but now it's front and center so you can easily change it. To start updating your profile picture, simply click directly on that avatar image. Think of it like a button, even if it doesn't look like a traditional one. When you click your avatar, a small window or dialog will appear giving you options to manage your profile picture. Here, look for the button that says Add Custom Avatar. This is the option that lets you upload your own image instead of using a default one. Click Add Custom Avatar to open your computer's file browser. Now you'll be prompted to choose a picture from your device. Take a moment to pick an image that's clear and recognizable, especially if you work with a team. A simple headshot or a logo you use for yourself works well. Once you've found the image you want, click on it, then select Open or the equivalent option on your system to upload it into ClickUp. After the upload finishes, ClickUp may show you a preview of your new avatar. This is your chance to make sure the image looks the way you want it to. If everything looks good, confirm or save the change. Some versions will have a dedicated Save or Done button, while others may apply the change automatically once the upload completes. To check that it worked, look back at the upper right corner of your screen. You should now see your new profile picture in place of the old one. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your profile picture on ClickUp, giving your account a more personal and professional touch.